Hello, I'm Mason, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make soft pretzels. Start off, you're going to want to pour 1 cup of milk, heat it to 110 degrees Fahrenheit into a bowl, and then you're going to want to sprinkle in 1 package of active dry yeast. You're going to want to let that set for about 2 minutes. So after about 2 minutes, I'm going to take 3 tablespoons of brown sugar and about half of 2 1/4 cups of flour and stir it into the milk and yeast. So now that I've stirred it, it should look like this. I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of diced and softened butter and the rest of the flour and 1 teaspoon of fine salt, and stir that all in to make a sticky dough. So now that I'm done stirring this, I'm going to put some flour on the table and put the dough on and knead it until it's smooth for about 5 minutes. So now that I've kneaded the dough, I'm going to place it in a bowl, cover it in plastic wrap, and let it rise for about 1 hour. So while the dough is rising, I'm going to share some history and facts about pretzels. Pretzels began in about 610 AD when Italian monks gave their students baked treats in the shape of crossed arms. The crossed arms were shaped the way that people prayed back then. As a treat spread through Europe, the 3 holes in the pretzel came to represent the Holy Trinity: the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Soon the 3 holes represented luck, long life, and prosperity. In the 7th century, the Catholic Church had very strict rules regarding Lent. All types of meat, dairy, and eggs were prohibited. The pretzel, then a simple mix of water, flour, and salt, was an ideal food to eat during Lent. Originally, pretzels were called Bracolae, the Latin term for little arms, which led to the German name Pretzel. Another early name for pretzels was Pretolias, meaning little reward. They were handed out by monks when their students correctly recited their prayers. Now for some facts about pretzels. The largest pretzel in the world weighs 1,728 pounds, measuring over 29 feet long and 13 feet wide. Each year, over $550 million worth of pretzels are sold in America. The average American eats 2 pounds of pretzels each year, but the average Pennsylvanian eats 12 pounds per year. Pennsylvania is the state where hard pretzels originated. April 26th is now known as National Pretzel Day. Joey Chestnut, the 2007 World Pretzel Eating Champion, ate 21 soft pretzels in just 10 minutes. Those are all the facts I have for you. Now back to the video. So after 1 hour, you're going to take the plastic wrap off, and you're going to take out your dough. You're going to put a little bit more flour onto the table, put the dough on. You're going to want to deflate the dough out and put it into the flour. You're going to want to separate it into about 6 pieces. You're going to take 1 piece and roll it out into about a 2.5 foot rope, and then you're going to form it into a pretzel shape. Like this. So now that I have the dough formed into 6 pretzels, I'm going to take each one and dip it into a solution of a 1/3 cup of baking soda and 3 cups of warm water. I'm going to put it on a lightly greased baking sheet. I'm going to do this with each one, and then I'm going to sprinkle the coarse salt on top. Then I will put it in the oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes in 450 degrees Fahrenheit heat. So now that my pretzels are out of the oven, I'm going to take 8 tablespoons of melted butter and brush them over top. Like this. I'm going to do this over all 6 pretzels, and then I will place them on the wire rack right there to let the excess butter drip off. To serve with the pretzels, I will be making a sweet mustard sauce. To make the sauce, you'll take 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, a quarter cup of mayonnaise, quarter cup of Dijon mustard, and a quarter teaspoon of cider vinegar, and mix the ingredients together. So now that I'm all done, these are what the pretzels look like, and this is what the sauce looks like. Total cost for the pretzels is about $2.42. Total cost for the sauce is about $1.09. This was my video on how to make soft pretzels, and I hope you enjoyed it.